So basically, this is just a folder of quite a few different files you can see based on the 102 spec for this project. We delivered these files. So granted, they were for information only, but you can see the amount of files that we submitted. So all of our quarter files, all of our design files that had information with them, metadata information, we did those. We also have Civil 3D, so that was kind of our check, as we would XML out, put it in Civil 3D, compare the two. So we were able to do that as well. We also have all the XML files, and we also have spreadsheets, and I know that that was on there as well. So I guess like with the spreadsheets, we had those, and then any PDFs. So any of the PDFs we had that also in there. And the other thing I'm not showing in here, but I know we had, was a Word document that basically explains what those files are, what the uses are, that type of stuff of the information to the contractor, even though it was for information only. That way they knew, okay, well, if I go open this file, do I see everything? What file do I need to open to see everything? Also, how are those AutoCAD files, Civil 3D files associated? XML files, spreadsheets. So really kind of explaining a lot of that. Because one of the things that we went through just vaguely, just for a little bit on, I think it was last Thursday, was we touched high level on those. Again, all of those files were clean. We took the time to go in, make sure that they were clean files, that they were usable. Again, consistency and repeatable of having the same files, having DGNs, having spreadsheets, having PDFs, and having those clean files is a huge key to this. Even your spreadsheets being clean, not having a lot of extraneous information in those. So really, I think from a high level, again, digital deliverables, we wanted to cover this a little bit more, but I think what we'll do is we'll try and just do some videos with that, and ongoing through all these of best practices on those, creating and checking the XML files, cleaning the model files, what to have with those spreadsheets, and defining what the deliverables are. So we'll be able to do that. But yeah, I think then with that, Sahar, I know we have a few minutes.